This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious waffles using your sandwich maker. First, gather your favorite waffle batter and make sure your sandwich maker is clean and ready. Preheat it thoroughly, then lightly grease the cooking plates. This simple preparation ensures your waffles cook perfectly and release easily every time. Once your sandwich maker is hot, carefully pour about 1/4 cup of waffle batter onto each cooking plate. Be careful not to overfill. Gently close the lid, allowing the machine to do its work without pressing down. Cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until your waffles are a beautiful golden brown. To check if your waffles are ready, carefully open the lid. Look for a rich golden brown color and a slightly crisp texture. Use a non-scratch utensil, like a silicone spatula, to gently lift the waffles from the plates. Place them on a wire rack for a moment to cool slightly and prevent sogginess. Now for the best part, serving your delicious homemade waffles. They are best enjoyed immediately with your favorite toppings. Think fresh berries, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a dollop of whipped cream. This easy method makes breakfast simple and satisfying, proving you don't need a dedicated waffle iron.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.